Here, my friends, is a flower. And here's a dime, just for scale. And I'll teach you how to make one. So I have just the right amount of string. I might need a little more because I'll be adding a strap, to put on my cell phone. So we're going to cut to length right here. I don't know how many inches that is, but if someone somewhere can guess it, maybe I could too. But we're going to place our string to the side, and I'm going to bring out my box of beads. I have letters and different colors. I use yellow and orange way too much. And I have some specialty beads, like glow in the dark. And I pushed the thing. That's okay. So we're going to start out by picking our colors when I finish fixing the stand. It only took a few seconds to fix the stand, but here we go! So I'm thinking about making something glow in the dark. You know what we're going to do? White flower with a yellow center. I'm going to grab 6 of these white beads and one of these. I'll be back. I've counted out all of the beads, I'll tell you how many you need. You need 7. 6 of those are the petals, and the 7th one right here is the center. So we're going to start off with our string right here. Let me go grab it and I'll show you. So basically, it's some sort of stitch. I don't even know the name of it. I believe it might be some variation of peyote, but I don't know. So we're going to start off by putting 2 petals on one side. And that will be the bottom, one of the sides of the flower. Now, you take the center of the flower, place it on both parts of the string. This is very, very important. So place it right here, and there you go. Oh. Okay, I think that's about it. Now you're going to take your string and split it in 2 again, because you're going to need to do that. Now take 2 of your beads and put 1 on each string. Then slide it down. It should look like this. And once you do so, you give it a tie. And I'll show you how to do that. So, you take your string, cross them in between or whatever it is, cross them, and then take the one on the right, put it right through there, and it'll be tied once. I would recommend tying it down twice. And I will do that again. And I might be doing it off center because I can't see what the heck I'm doing. I should learn how to screen mirror and then have that TV over there or whatever. Okay. Did it even let you screen mirror with the camera? I don't even know. But once you do that, you're all set with this flower, I guess. And now that you've tied it, we're gonna place the strings from right here into these beads on the left. Now, take 1 string and 1 bead and slide it in like so. And then you place it in like this, and you should be all set. That is a piece of your flower right there. Now we'll do it with the other bead, just like that. place it in there and tie. Here we go. Place it in like so. Do it again like this. And then you cut the string after you tie. Look at my really tiny scissors. All right, back to the thing. There you go. And be careful not to ruin your newly made flower. So here's how to make the strap. You take your string right here, place it like that, and then string it through the top bead. Make sure both strings are out like that, and you should be all set. Now, you just do that, cross it over like that, and then place the loopy part down here, and then repeat it again. Why? Just to make it just as secure as everything else in this project. Let's see, let's go grab the thing right here, and then we get it right there, and then we have it right there, and you're all set. There's your little strap. So, you ready to see the cell phone? Get ready. It's a flip phone. Yay! Alright, so here's how to do it. Some phones will have this strap, and some might actually have it as a whole on like a separate case or something. So I'll actually demo with both. So we'll start with the smartphone since that's what everybody has. Some phones might not have a hole like this. You might place it here or there instead. Take your strap, place it through the hole, and once you place it through the hole, you place the flower through the strap, and it should be on. There you go. And now we'll demonstrate with the flip phone. My main device here. Take your flower and your phone and make the strap really, really, really small. I'll actually center the phone right here and I'll show you. Now you take the flower and you take the hole, you take the bottom hole and poke the strap through. It might take a little while, and well, after all, you might be new to this, but once it pokes through like that, you take the flower, stick it inside the little loop. Shut up, movie! And we'll place it in there, and it shall be attached to your phone. Want to see me play bowling? Or maybe not. But I'll show you who's on the phone. It's Zeto. And that was pretty much the very first candy shop. I'll see you tomorrow, or whatever, or... Why did I say tomorrow? These are not daily. At least monthly, or at least whenever I feel like it. Bye-bye!